Hello, today I'll teach you 8 easy standing poses for the beginners to start your yoga practices. So let's get started. The first one is Tadasana or Samasthiti. For this, you can either join your legs or keep it hip width distance and palm facing outside. Stretch your shoulders, arms, and chest. Feel the stretch in your body from head to the feet and hold this pose for 3 to 5 deep breaths. This is a very simple yoga pose which is regarded as the mother of asanas. It's like the base for all the standing pose. For hands raised pose, you must begin in Tadasana, standing with your arms at your sides, then gently raise them to the ceiling as you inhale. While you do this, make sure your shoulders are not hunched. Your arms must be straight at all times, such as they are activated all throughout till your fingertips. And as you exhale, bring your arms down. You can also do this from side to side so that you'll have proper stretches on your sides, and it is very relaxing and best pose for the beginners. Big toe pose. To begin, stand in Tadasana and inhale. And as you exhale, slowly bend your torso towards your feet in this way from your lower back. And try to touch the feet by your fingers or hold your big toe by your fingers in this way. And pull yourself down as much as your body allows you. Do not force yourself. You can also bend your knee if you are not that flexible and keep pulling yourself towards your knee. And hold this posture for 3 to 5 deep breaths. Slowly you can extend your leg after you are more flexible and hold the posture. And you can also take the help of your yoga block or your favorite book to come to the final posture. And it is very important to listen to your body. Hand under foot pose. To begin, inhale, extend your chest, and as you exhale, bend forward from your lower back and slowly keep your hands under your feet one by one in this way and pull yourself towards the knee as you exhale. Do not force yourself. You can bend your knees if you are not flexible enough and maintain the posture for 10 to 30 seconds. Take help of your yoga block and improve your flexibility by using it in these many ways. After the final posture, as you inhale, slowly come up and bend back a little just for counterbalance. Triangle pose. To begin, spread your leg about 3/4 of your height. You can either jump or just walk. The easiest way is to do heel toe in this way. Keep walking and spreading your legs in this way and make sure your ankle is right below your wrist. Also spread your arms parallel to the ground and slowly turn your left foot to the left side and slowly bend your body, making sure your shoulders are on the straight line. You can place your arms on your shin, knees, or wherever you are comfortable and gaze upwards in the middle finger of your right hand. Hold this pose for 10 to 30 seconds or as long as you can. The breathing should be normal. You can also take the help of your yoga block. Do not overdo it. Feel the stretch from wherever you are. Now for the other side, remember to keep your shoulders on the straight line, knees straight, and place your palms wherever you are comfortable. While you come back, you can either jump or do heel toe again and come back to the starting position. For tree pose, stand tall and erect in Tadasana. Slowly bend your right leg and place your right foot high up on your left thigh. The sole of your right foot should be placed flat and firmly on the inner side of the thigh, and your left leg should be straight. Once you have found the balance, take a deep breath and gracefully raise your arms over your head. Bring your palms together in Namaste Mudra. Look straight ahead at a distant object with a steady gaze. Make sure your spine is straight and keep taking long deep breaths. Relax the body more and more each time you exhale and try to hold the pose for as long as possible. And while you exhale, slowly bring your hands down and stand in Tadasana. For chair pose, begin in Tadasana. Inhale and raise your arms perpendicular to the floor. And as you exhale, bend your knees, trying to take the thighs as nearly parallel to the floor as possible. Do not let your knees cross your toes. Instead, try to maintain it right above your ankle or little bit forward your ankle. The knees will project out over the feet and the torso will lean slightly forward over the thighs until front torso forms approximately a right angle with the tops of the thighs. Make sure you take your tailbone down toward the floor and in towards your pubis to keep the lower back long. Stay for minimum 30 seconds, and to come out of this pose, straighten your knees with inhalation, and as you exhale, release your arms to the sides into Tadasana. For Warrior 1, step your legs 4 to 5 feet apart. Now slowly turn your left foot outwards 90 degrees to the left and your right foot inwards 45 to 60 degrees towards your left. Your right heel should not be in the straight line as your left. Now slowly rotate your torso towards your left. Now slowly bend your left knee and do not let it cross your ankle, and make sure your heel is also on the ground and your knee is right above your ankle. Now slowly inhale and raise your arms up and gaze upward. Make sure your left thigh is parallel to the ground. Repeat on the other side as well. This alignment will form a 90-degree angle between your right thigh and right shin. The bent knee must not extend beyond the ankle. It must be aligned right over the heel. You can place your arms on your thighs, do Namaste Mudra, or extend your arms and gaze up. Come back slowly in Tadasana.